Listen to me. Listen to me. Stop the music. I'm telling you something. Listen to me. Listen to me, father. I don't want nobody having a nice night. You see who underage, just stay on time fucking for their life. I'm around with people, my daughter, I'm 13-year-old. I say if you just start fuck with you, go find a peers. I'll be a murderer there, don't run for the back. A bad man place today, yeah. Like the people them big clap too. They see them too, yeah. When they go on around this stuff. I don't care if you don't pass the age of being too young. Listen to me. When you look too young, come on forward up front. Make some big girl forward up front. Make some big old girl come up front to wear fuck all that. Bum clap. Yeah. Come on, see ya. Dance. Pussy tight. Run me son, I don't want no picnic in my bum clap performance. Because I'm 13-year-old. I'm a bad man, I'm going to walk around around. They're a gunman in a real life. Here, when they talk about money, I show me respect the killer them and more than rich on. Bumbo clad pen with them. Look for me good. Chop up and show me time.